Welcome back to Gardening in the Panhandle Live. After a short hiatus over the holidays, your IFAS Extension horticulture agents in the Panhandle have returned to offer the best horticultural information for our area and to answer all of your home gardening and landscape questions. Julie, tell us a little bit more about what the team has planned for our listeners coming up here in 2022.
All right, so this year we're going to do some episodes in the spring and in the fall, and we're going to focus on some different topics that we haven't covered in the past. A couple that I'm really excited about are we're going to talk about tomatoes in February and subtropical fruits in April. And then in October, we're going to go over gardening myths and home remedies, and I think that's going to be a really interesting conversation. So Beth can tell us how you can join us for these discussions.
Yeah, the fun part about these programs is that you are going to lead the discussions with the questions that you submit for our panel to research. Now, the best way for you to do that is to look for the Zoom link through Gardening in the Panhandle newsletter or through the program announcements at your local office. The good thing is, though, you can also attend through Facebook Live the day of the event through Gardening in the Panhandle.
Absolutely. So please join us for our first session on Thursday, February the 17th, and that will be at 12 Central, 1 Eastern time to get all your tomato gardening questions answered. Again, thank you for your continued support, and we look forward to seeing all of you online with us in 2022.